evening. We have seen a steady dip in active COVID cases in Tennessee, but there is an increase in a rare inflammatory disease impacting kids who have had the virus. New at 10 News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs spoke to a doctor at Monroe Carroll Jr. Children's Hospital who says parents shouldn't worry about this disease, but they do need to be aware of it.
In the past couple of weeks, we've seen a real decrease in the number of children admitted to the hospital with a positive COVID test.
Good news in the fight against the coronavirus, but Dr. Lee Howard says there's an increase in a rare inflammatory syndrome in children associated with COVID-19.
That's what we've been seeing quite a bit of, a little bit of a surge in the last week or two.
The CDC says multisystem inflammatory syndrome in children, or MISC, is a condition where different body parts can become inflamed, including the heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, skin, eyes, or gastrointestinal organs. Children with MISC may have a fever and various symptoms, including abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, neck pain, rash, bloodshot eyes, or feeling extra tired.
For the most part, need some anti-inflammatory medications to recover.
Dr. Howard says doctors at Monroe Carroll Jr. Children's Hospital at Vanderbilt have seen 30 cases since late summer of 2020, 10 of those just in the last month, telling us MISC is usually found in healthy kids, and around 25% will have an underlying health issue.
It typically develops 4 to 6 weeks after kids have exposure to COVID. Sometimes they know they have exposure to COVID. Sometimes they don't know that they've had exposure to COVID.
Howard says if your child gets COVID-19 or has already had it, it doesn't mean they'll get MISC.
We typically only see this MISC develop in about 1 in every 1,500 children who has COVID.
Dr. Howard says she doesn't want parents to be in fear, just aware.
We've developed a clinic here where we'll be following these patients really, really closely at several intervals for the year after they develop MISC to look for some of those long-term consequences.
Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.